So Nikki and I just bought a condo. Let's take a look inside. And walk into a double sink bathroom. Here is obviously the bathroom, bathtub, toilet. Come back this way, we have a bedroom. It's a little dark in here, we don't have any lighting. Gotta use lamps. A closet. That's a utility closet with a furnace, water heater. And here is the living room and kitchen area. So right here, this is a pull-out couch, so we can sleep two more on that. And here is our kitchen. So we have this tiny little stove. Got a dishwasher, microwave, refrigerator, washer and dryer. And over here we have table, eating area. There's a window behind there, and then we have a sliding door out to a patio. And so the nice thing about this condo is it is walk in from ground level, so you can walk in from ground level outside, go right to a patio. You have a little bit of green space. Some things we plan on doing are we are going to paint the cabinetry and put new countertops and do a backsplash. Right now this is like a peel and stick brick, which is not really our style. So we are going to switch all that out, and we're going to switch out a light fixture. We're going to switch out all of the furniture except for the couch. The couch looks pretty decent. But we have different end tables, coffee table. We may put a different kitchen table and chairs, or we might put a bar across here with some bar stools, and maybe putting a larger TV up here. That's one option that we may consider. Like I mentioned here in the kitchen, we're gonna redo the tops. We're gonna make this an accent wall. So this is gonna be a different color. And we may do something to the wall itself, like maybe put some strips of MDF, like some batten boards, paint it an accent color. And then we are also going to update this bathroom a little bit. So we'll paint the cabinetry, and we put a different top, some different sinks, different faucets, a different light fixture. And replace that fan, it's a little noisy. Right now it's kind of tame, but sometimes it's noisy. We're gonna put a new toilet in here because this one is a little gross. And then we may tile the floor right here in the bathroom, about right here. So this has had some updates in the past. This flooring has been replaced, but we're gonna have to do something about it at some point because it's starting to separate. It's got a little moisture damage. It's kind of wicked up on the edges. You can kind of see how it's kind of bowed and all the seams. So that's nothing that we're gonna deal with right now, but at some point, we're gonna take care of that. And we may also paint this trim. I'm not exactly sure when we're gonna do that, but we might wait for the slow time, downtime, or we may do it now. Just depends on how much time we have. And in this bedroom, same thing. We're gonna make this an accent wall, so we're gonna do like a different, like a charcoal or maybe a dark blue or dark green, and put some like batten boards on it. Kind of do that design. A different bed and different bedding. We have a dresser that's gonna go in the closet. So far that's what our plans are. We have a little bit of a budget for the remodel, and hopefully we can stick to that. And we plan to get this listed and ready for Airbnb and all the other online sites within a couple weeks. Luckily our mechanical room looks pretty good. Our HVAC system is old, so the air conditioner is from 1993, which is when the unit was built. So that's ancient. We will probably consider replacing that within the next 5 years. Hopefully it will last, and we'll be able to replace it on our terms, not when it just decides to fail. And a little bitty water heater down here. I get him in there. He's newer. He's like 2015, so he's a new guy. Anyway, it should be pretty minimal maintenance costs. Obviously, outside and everything is all maintained by the HOA, and pretty much we just take care of what's in the inside. You guys like that eat sign up there? Isn't that pretty neat? This is a smaller unit, so it is just a 1 bedroom, 1 bath. So it's not gonna bring us a lot of nightly rental income. However, in peak seasons, we can get probably 120 a night or so. HOA fees are not terribly expensive. In a few weeks after we do all of our updates, we'll do a video update of how it turned out and maybe get some numbers, kind of like what we're looking at as far as our investment, our return on investment, what that's gonna look like. Anyway, stay tuned, and hopefully we'll get some more content up soon about the nightly rental in Branson, Missouri.